Hi friends, here is the recent update from Staff Selection Commission regarding skill test for stenographer grade C and grade D. This is the October 20 update. You can see a important notice regarding skill test for stenographer grade C and grade D examination 2019. Skill test for grade C and grade D will be conducted on 21st October and 22 October. And regarding this, you can see important instructions. And you can see in context, candidate may note the printout of typed text. The printout of typed text will not be taken after stenographer skill test. Okay, you should not take it out. Printout of the typed test you should not carry with you. Okay, when you are coming out of the examination hall. And candidate for English transcription, you have to select English US option. You have to select this. In case of Hindi, you have to select Hindi in script or Hindi and Krutitve. This one you have to select. Okay. Regarding visually handicapped candidates who will bring their Braille typewriter will be allotted an isolated seat or avoid any disturbance to other candidates. And this point you can observe the commission. The commission will provide computer and keyboard. The commission will provide computer and keyboard and shorthand notebook for the test. No candidate will be allowed to bring his own keyboard. Okay, your own keyboard will not be allowed. And candidates will bring their own pen. You have to carry your own pen or pencil or sharpener or eraser for the test. Okay, they will not provide you the pen or pencil. You have to carry your pen, pencil or sharpener. So you can see here extra time will not be given. The compensatory time to eligible candidates only will be given. Okay, those who are physically handicapped or visually handicapped, for them only the extra time will be given. For all of them it will not be provided. Okay, for the benefit of the candidates, you can check this through this link. You can know how the examination will be. Okay, this is the demo link. You can see now. So once you click on this link, so after you click on this link, you will get this home page for online test of stenographer grade C and grade D, and the page will appear like this. Here you have to, this is demo link only, you need not enter username and password here, and directly you can click on sign in. And the test is loading here, and first page will be appear like this, and click on next. And there you will see the instructions to the candidate for stenography test, stenographer grade C and grade D. And you can read all the instructions. The commission will provide the computer and shorthand notebook for the test. No candidate will allowed to bring his own keyboard. Okay, and candidates are advised to use both the sides of the shorthand notepad while taking a dictation. And candidates will have to write their name and exam date, roll number in figures and words on a cover page of the notepad. Okay, just make note of this. Candidates will also have to write their roll number, dictation speed of examination on top of the each page of the notepad being used. So they should also put their signature and the exam date at the bottom of the notepad. You have to sign it. Okay, so candidates should bring their own pen or pencil or eraser for the test. And next one, candidates are required to report at examination venue at the reporting time indicated on their admission certificate, and candidate must bring original admission certificate. Okay, so original admission certificate issued to him by the commission for securing admission to the test. And the speed of 80 words per minute for stenographer grade D and 100 words per minute for stenographer grade C. This is for shorthand test. And the time taken, the duration of the each test you can see here for each one. For English, for each one given. Okay, what is the break time and what is the duration, everything he has given, and you can go through this. So after that, after you have gone through these instructions, choose your language. Very important, this one, choose your default language. So whatever the language that you are selecting here, in the same language the test will appear. So very important. So English or Hindi, if you are selecting English language, you have to click on this, and then you have to click on check box. Then you have to click on I am ready to begin. Then test will open. So here timer will run, time left. So how much time is remaining, it will appear here, and here you have to type here you have to type here. Here you have to type here and mock typing whatever that you are typing here, and later you have to submit it. Submit button will be provided at the bottom of this. Okay, here you have to type all the details. They will provide you the details. Those things you have to type here. And if you have any doubt regarding this, you can check in view instructions also. While you are attempting this test, you can click on instruction. If you click on instruction, you will find all the things. Okay, so other important instructions for Hindi, English, instructions to candidate for stenographer test, grade C and grade D. You can go through all the instructions at starting also given, and at the time of examination also you can get this in the instruction section. Okay, so this is regarding online mock test of grade C and grade D. So here you have to enter the data, whatever the data that is provided you have to enter here. Okay, for example, I am ready to write the test. So the data to be entered. So whatever, just example I am typing. So whatever the data that you are going to enter here, you can enter in this space. Okay, so this is regarding mock test of grade C and grade D, and this is regarding recent update regarding skill test for stenographer grade C and grade D. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you.